That's as basic as it gets. I want you to play some pop music. Play some Lady Gaga on that.
Alright, ready? Yep.
You can do that.
I can actually.
Play the Beat the Funky challenge.
It's decaf supported, and I can Bluetooth it to my computer and download MP3s. I haven't done that yet.
Yeah, I got it. What, the fast one? No, what's that from?
South Park.
Cali episode.
Did you see that new episode of South Park?
Which one?
Where they were, Butters accidentally started like a pimp service.
What the heck?
Oh, no, I missed it.
I put my hair over
That's
his
from the
head.
beginning. I wanted to see
And he
the
just reads it at the last minute.
Somebody had to go
Right,
from
I
John's
was
house.
saying that and
He was
posting it on
undercover.
Oh my
He was a
god.
cop, and you can tell it's the man. He's got a mustache, and he's like, "Hey, baby," he's wearing a wig. The guy was like, "So you're going to in the wig? You're gonna pay me
Can you
$20
imagine if your ears
for
are
that."
right now?
Yeah. And he takes the money. He goes, "All right, put on your pants." And then we're like, "What?" And he
Oh, my
takes
ears
them off.
stop just with
Oh, you're
like, I can
nervous.
feel
What he's doing, he's going to floss before he made the bus.
Remember
the college guy? I was gonna say, one of the later things he does is he goes to a college dorm, and you hear him from the outside yelling, "I know you can say more, you didn't either." And as you get the rest of